Hello everyone, this is Sheshe. Today I'm coming on to do a demo on how to put this little girl together, this little doll. She's really cute. There's two ways you can put her together. So one way, she looks really short, like that. And then this way, she looks a little bit taller. So you have two different options. Okay? So it does come with a little picture, and this is the original way that I put her together on this card right here. Alright, so when you put her together like this, it appears that she's taller, and she's really big for an A2 size card. But if you want to make a 5x7 card, that's great. So I'm going to show you how to put her together like this. Okay, so I'm going to go over the pieces. This is her hair. The jacket, this is like the part of her hat, and this right here is the top of the hat. This right here is part of the scarf. These are the hands and legs. These are the boots. This is part of the socks, the face, and the pockets, the little pom-pom. This is the holly that you can put in her hair if you wish. Okay, so I'm going to start with the pieces on how to put her together. Okay, first you want to start off with her hair. She's going to have the hair going behind the jacket. Okay, so I have my quick stick because it has a lot of tiny pieces to help me stick some of these pieces here and there. So I'm going to center her face. Now if you're concerned about like if the bangs will appear, as you can see the detail in the face, that's where the bangs will appear. Once you set it on the hair, you'll see the bangs form. So you're not missing any pieces. That's how the bangs will appear. So just make sure you center it in a way where your bangs will appear. So I'm just going to set down the face, and then voila, there's your bangs. They start to form. Okay, and then next you want to give it enough room so that when you put the scarf on, and you want to put the big layer of the scarf first and then the small layer, so that it covers, because she doesn't have a neck, but it will appear that she has one when you layer the scarf onto the jacket. So you want to space that out. Okay, so I'm going to do that and add on the jacket. So just give it just a little bit of glue at the top so that you can glue it on to the hair. And if you want to layer it so that, what I'll probably do is add some little rhinestones to cover up the little buttonholes. That's what I did for this other doll right here, because the holes does, you know, punch out. That's what I did. So you layer on like that. Next you'll want to add on the hands, because the scarves will cover up the hands, and you want to put them on the outer edge of the jacket or coat or whatever you want to call it. So I'll just give it a little bit of glue right here, and then some like along the edges, like right here. That's what you want to do. Because she's going to put her hands in the pocket. So you're just building the girl from the layers on. That's how it appears. Okay, now we're going to add the scarf. Okay, and again, you want to get the scarf where it is right below the little chin part of the doll. So I'll just give this a little bit of glue right here. Kind of center it a little bit. And then this part of the scarf will cover up the shoulders of the arms. And then you don't want to quite cover up that bottom part of it because you'll tuck the other part of the scarf underneath that portion of the scarf, because this is a two-parter or three-parter. Okay, this is the other part of the scarf, and it's going to tuck right under here. Okay, and hang out. So I'm just going to give this a little bit of glue right here and right here. And then this is going to tuck right in there. And press it down. And so that's what I have so far. And then for the hat, what I normally do is glue the hat on first, and then that way when you stick the hat on, it won't be so hard because it will already be assembled as one piece. So I just give it some glue like that. Okay, and then just want to actually we'll make this go over the hat. Like that. Instead of over it. Okay, and then this little ball, little pom-pom, I'll just add a little tiny bit of glue right here, and then I'm going to use my quick stick and then stick that on. Okay, and then this is one piece now, and then we can stick this on her head. Just like that. Okay, this is how she looks so far. Now she has legs that you need to add. So I'll just give it a little bit of glue, like right about here. Now if you want her to be shorter, then you can give it more glue and press the legs up higher to make her shorter if you wish. So I can probably do that so she can fit on a project. She won't be so tall. And try to make her legs as even as possible. so she's not so big. See there? Then we'll add her socks. And I'll use the quick stick again. So here's her shoes, or boots. So I'm going to add one right here and one right here. And press that down. And then the boots I'm going to add in back of her legs. Okay, so the doll is almost complete. I just need to add the little pockets, and if you want to add some little earrings, you can do that. The pockets are a little bit tricky because they kind of look like they go one way, but they don't. They actually go, kind of just gotta look like the straightest part of the pocket goes on the straight part of the coat, and that's how you figure it out, the angles of the pockets. Same thing here. I just go by the straight edge of the pocket. I match it up with the straight edge of the coat. And there you have it. Okay, really cute. And as you can see, there are different sizes, all by adjusting the legs. Okay, so I've added some little flat bag pearls to the coats of the dolls, so it came out extra cute. So let me know in the comment section below, which way do you prefer? Do you like it this way, or do you like the dolls this way with the hair behind the coat? Alright, I hope you found this video helpful in putting the dolls together. I will link the set in the description box below where you can pick this up. So take care, and I hope you have a fabulous day.